Hello, lovely viewers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of interior decorating. We've got 5 small decorating ideas that can breathe new life into your home, no matter where you live in the USA. So, let's get those creative juices flowing. Segment 1. Accent walls. Our first decorating idea is all about accent walls. A fresh coat of paint or some eye-catching wallpaper can instantly revitalize a room. Choose a color or pattern that complements your existing decor and watch how it transforms the space. Accent walls create a focal point and add character to any room. Segment 2. Gallery wall. Next up, we have the gallery wall. This is a fantastic way to display your personality and style. Gather your favorite art pieces, photographs, and even mementos, and arrange them in an artistic collage. It's a conversation starter and a beautiful way to showcase your life's journey. Segment 3. Indoor plants. Bringing the outdoors in is always a great idea. Indoor plants not only purify the air but also add a touch of nature to your home. Whether it's a lush fiddle leaf fig, trendy succulents, or colorful flowers, plants can make any room feel fresher and more inviting. Segment 4. Mirrors and lighting. Mirrors and lighting are powerful tools in decorating. Mirrors can create an illusion of space and reflect light, making your room feel larger and brighter. Experiment with various mirror shapes and sizes. And don't forget about lighting. The right fixtures can set the mood and enhance your decor's beauty. Segment 5. Textiles and throw pillows. Lastly, let's talk about textiles and throw pillows. These are quick and affordable ways to change the vibe of a room. Swap out your curtains, rugs, or even sofa cushions for different seasons or occasions. Mix and match textures and colors to create a cozy and visually appealing atmosphere. Conclusion. And there you have it, 5 small decorating ideas to transform your home in the USA. Remember, decorating is all about expressing your unique style and making your space truly yours. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more decorating tips and ideas. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Outro. Happy decorating, everyone. Your home is your canvas, so make it beautiful. Until next time, take care and stay inspired.